In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to change the front differential oil in this Kubota B1750. Now it's different than your axle fluid. You have a left axle, right axle. It's going to be the same oil, but this is a different location. This is going to be a drain and fill of the front differential. Now it's important to note, this has power steering and the bi-speed turn feature. So this is going to take, it's the same oil as one with manual steering or one without it. It's just going to take more. This is going to take 2.5 quarts of oil. I'm going to show you in the manual the differences, and we'll get this oil changed. You can see in the manual, front axle differential case, 4-wheel drive, with bi-speed turn, 2.6 quarts, gear oil, SAE 80 or 90. Now if yours doesn't have bi-speed turn, it's going to be 1.6 quarts. Alright, I'm on the right side of the tractor, and I'm going to bring the camera in up close so I can show you the drain plug. It's a little bit hard to find, but it's going to be right here on the very bottom of the differential. See that one there with the orange paint on it? That's a 14 millimeter, and that's our drain plug. We're going to go ahead and turn it counterclockwise and get that oil out. Now the fill cap for this is right here. It's got orange paint on it as well. So we're going to have to loosen this up, and that will allow the fluid to drain out better. Now as you can see, we have the fill cap off, and you'll be able to see the oil flowing freely. This is going to drain for about 10 minutes, and then we're going to reinstall that drain plug. Alright, so all the oil is done draining, and I've reinstalled the oil drain plug. You can see right there. And now we're going to go ahead and start refilling. Now you're going to slowly add gear oil to your differential. Don't just start squeezing really hard to try and get this stuff in as fast as you can. You're going to have to slowly add it back in there. Now sometimes when you change these differentials, you'll get air pockets. That's why it's very important to know how much oil is supposed to go in here. This one's supposed to take 2.6 quarts. If, let's say, it starts to overrun out of the top of this fill hole at 1.5 quarts, then I know I have air pockets in there. So that happens sometimes, and you'll just have to drive the tractor around just for like 30 seconds, and it will start working the air pockets out, and then you'll have to add more fluid. Just make sure if the manual says 1.5 quarts or 2.6 quarts, that's exactly how much you put in there. Anything less, and you got air pockets, and you got to work those out. May take you like 2 times to get the air pockets out, and then you just keep adding fluid till you know that you've put in the correct amount. So we're going to get the 2.6 quarts in here, and if it starts to run out the top, I'm just going to have to drive the tractor around a little bit to get the air pockets out. And once you've got the proper amount of oil in there, go ahead and tighten up your fill cap and wipe off any oil that has spilled down your transfer case. After you've wiped up any spilled oil, you can call this project complete. Congratulate yourself on saving some time and money by not taking to a dealership, learning a little bit about your tractor, and doing your own maintenance. Hope this video was helpful and informational to you, and thanks for watching.